How to combine photos on Google Photos app. This audio video post uploaded for learning and information purpose. First of all, install or update Google Photos app from Google Play Store. Then open it. Then select some photos which you want to combine into one or make collage. Select some photos, then select plus icon in top right corner. Then from option select collage. Wait for a few seconds, then photos will be combined into one collage. If photo is not showing from smartphone storage, SD card, memory card storage, or any uploaded file on Google Photos app, if any, then from bottom menu, select second option search or select fourth option library and multiple language subtitle available with video versions, so check video player setting and read description also. Also can crop unwanted parts, select from menu in bottom portion, second option edit. Then select crop option. Then crop the unwanted part. Then select from bottom right corner, save copy. Cropped version will be saved separately. Thanks for watching or listening or reading. Log on to abhivideosdigital.blogspot.com.